Okay, our little boy's got the hiccups, and it is so adorable. I'm gonna show everybody. His first case of the hiccups.
Oh, do you feel better?
Was that a little burp? Oh.
Honey.
Okay, sweetheart. In a minute, we're gonna do your first bath.